Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a closer look at the Sophia and William propane gas grill and griddle combo, a versatile outdoor cooking station that combines the power of a traditional barbecue grill with the convenience of a flat-top griddle. If you've ever wanted to grill burgers on one side while cooking pancakes, eggs, vegetables, or stir-fry on the other, this setup is designed to make that possible without needing multiple cooking appliances. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world cooking? And why is this grill and griddle combo becoming such a popular choice for backyard chefs and outdoor cooking enthusiasts? Let's start with the cooking space because that's one of the biggest highlights. The Sophia and William combo provides an impressive 696 square inches of total cooking area, including approximately 442 square inches of porcelain-enameled cast iron grill grates and 253 square inches of cast iron griddle space. That means you can comfortably cook meals for large family gatherings, parties, tailgates, and weekend cookouts without constantly rotating food on and off the cooking surface. Power is another area where this grill stands out. The dual cooking zones produce a combined 54,000 BTUs of heat output, with 30,000 BTUs dedicated to the grill section and 24,000 BTUs powering the griddle side. In practical terms, this means fast preheating, strong searing performance for steaks and burgers, and enough heat control to cook delicate foods like eggs, seafood, and vegetables at the same time. One feature many outdoor cooks appreciate is the combination of porcelain-enameled cast iron grill grates and a cast iron griddle surface. The grill side delivers excellent heat retention and those beautiful restaurant-style sear marks, while the flat-top griddle provides a smooth cooking surface for foods that would normally fall through traditional grates. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner outdoors, the versatility is impressive. What makes the design especially practical is the independent heat control. The burners allow separate temperature adjustments across the grill and griddle zones, so you can run one side at high heat for steaks while keeping the other side at a lower temperature for vegetables or breakfast foods. This flexibility helps turn a simple cookout into a complete outdoor kitchen experience. The overall dimensions measure approximately 66.4 inches wide, 21 inches deep, and 42 inches high, giving you a substantial cooking station that feels ready for serious backyard entertaining. The unit also includes useful features like a built-in thermometer, removable grease management system, locking caster wheels, and convenient storage areas for grilling tools and accessories. For fuel, the grill operates on standard liquid propane tanks and includes the hose and regulator needed for setup. The burner system is designed for quick startup and responsive heat adjustments, helping you spend more time cooking and less time waiting for temperatures to stabilize. So why is this model becoming such a popular choice? It comes down to versatility, cooking capacity, and performance. Instead of choosing between a grill or a griddle, you get both in one unit. The large cooking area, powerful 54,000 BTU output, durable cast iron cooking surfaces, and dual-zone cooking capabilities make it a great option for anyone who enjoys hosting outdoor meals or simply wants more flexibility when cooking outside. When you combine nearly 700 square inches of cooking space, powerful burners, porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, and a dedicated flat-top cooking surface, you end up with an outdoor cooking station that can handle everything from weekday dinners to large weekend gatherings with confidence. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.